Good morning, students. Today we will continue the capitalization of super profit. In the last class we did capitalization of average profit. Today we will do capitalization of super profit. So look at the steps. First step, you know this thing how to calculate net profit. Net assets. So in the net assets you will not consider goodwill, non-trade investment and fictitious asset, and all the assets will be deducted from outside liabilities. You will get your net assets. Then here we have to calculate normal profit. So how we can calculate capital employed multiply by normal rate of return. Then next step is average profit. As we are calculating average profit, number of years, whatever, 3 to 4 5 years average profit will be calculated. And then difference between average profit and normal profit, that means difference between step 2 and 3 will be your super profit. And then you will charge the 100 upon normal rate of return, which will be given in your statement. Example, see the example where average profit 60,000 already given, normal profit no need to calculate, the profit are given. The difference of these two, 60 and 48, 12,000 is your super profit, and normal rate of return is 10%. So capitalization is 100 upon 10, not 10 upon 100. You are not doing percentage here, it's capitalization. So 12,000 super profit multiply by 100 upon 10, you will get 1,20,000. So this is the value of your goodwill. So see one example. Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000. Total tangible assets in the firm are 14 lakh and outside liabilities 4 lakh. In the same type of, in the normal rate of return is 10% of the capital employed. So we have to calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. Capital employed is not given. Assets minus liabilities. Tangible assets already it is mentioned here. 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, 10 lakh is your capital employed. Normal profit, capital employed multiply by normal rate of return. Here 10 upon 100. Keep this in mind. 10 upon 100 for calculation of normal profit. Then you will get your normal profit 1 lakh. Average profit is already given in the statement, no need to calculate, it is 1,50,000. Average profit minus normal profit, this is your super profit. And now when you are calculating the value of goodwill, then rate of return should be 100 upon 10. So 50,000 multiplied by 100 upon 10, value of goodwill is your 5 lakh. Remember these steps, these formulas, and you will get your goodwill. Thank you so much. Hope you understand this topic.